This is our narrator. The narrator says, with an AI voiceover English, New Zealand, female, Aria, are you ready to take your video creation to the next level? Then you need Pictory AI. Pictory AI is an AI video creation platform that lets you generate and edit videos from text, audio, images, and video footage. With Pictory AI, you can create professional quality videos in minutes. Zero video editing experience required. This is our website. See how IT says free? It is free to try. This video was made with Pictory free trial in under a day. Narrator says, in this upcoming video series, we'll be highlighting some of the key features of Pictory AI, showing you how to create engaging and impactful videos, like this one. Here's a sneak peek of what's to come. Automatically summarize long videos. Produce short summary videos from webinars, podcasts, and Zoom recordings. In just minutes. Save hours. Turn blog posts into videos. Make your blog posts into engaging and professional videos that are perfect for sharing on social media platforms and on your own website. Fast and easy to use. AI does the work for you. See how Pictory's AI technology can do the work for you, saving you time and creating professional quality videos like this one. Stunning quality. Over 3 million video clips and images, plus 15K music tracks. Explore Pictory's vast library of video clips, images, and music tracks. Learn how to use them to enhance your videos free. Add speech, your own voice, or realistic AI voices like this one. Hey, friends. My AI voice is called Aria. I'm from New Zealand. Pictory AI works on any computer with the magic of the cloud. Pictory's cloud-based software can work on any computer, making it easy to access and use from anywhere. Pictory AI can boost engagement. Short clips engage viewers. Watch how short clips can boost engagement and engage viewers, and learn how to create them using Pictory AI. Skyrocket webinar attendance. Trailer videos increase bookings and show up rates. Learn how to use trailer videos to skyrocket webinar attendance and increase bookings and show up rates. Increase sales. Sneak peeks increase conversions. Discover how sneak peeks can increase sales and conversions. Learn how to create them using Pictory AI. Pictory AI use code SHINER TAO. Published to socials. Perfect for all social sites. Explore how Pictory AI can help you publish your videos to all social sites, making it easy to share your content with the world. With these upcoming videos, you'll learn how to create engaging and impactful videos that will help Your brand, your brand, your brand. Stand out in today's crowded digital landscape. Save time and money and mental energy with Pictory AI. Follow along at your own pace. Watch the videos over and over. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your business with Pictory AI. Sign up now for a free trial with the link below.